to refine the dashboard because I see that it's not exactly what we intended to have. I can just mark different chart visuals and rearrange it. Also, we will use the agent to put the real data into it so we can preview the actual result. We see there's a dimension missing in the data model itself, so we cannot create this page. Great, now it's guiding me what is missing, and it creates new measures on the fly. Neuspendenquote. Here it is. Now it will fill the template with the real data. Yeah, Neuspendenquote 6.6. Yes, that's the real data. All right, so now it contains the real data. It's also great for testing. So if we want to log this, right? Now I can instruct the agent to generate insights on the selected visual live with the client. You can chat. What does he want to see on his dashboard? You can immediately review, challenge it in real time with the real data. If it's missing some measures, you see it automatically edited. Yeah, this will basically make the discussion for consulting on a much higher level. There's something growing in a certain region. So what we can just do is I say, okay, here year over year, Preasure in Germany we say, and we can create a new dashboard for it. Yeah, and this way you can basically scribble the dashboards interactively with your agent before even coding it in. So you will have the advantage that you will know, okay, there's some stuff missing in the model. The other advantage is that the client already can see on his real data how it will look like. And this is really something that honestly I'm just hyped as well right now. I mean, there was still some issues here and there, but if this is fixed, I mean it works. We can run it in production. And for this use case, it's awesome. I love it. Oh my god. No way. This is awesome. Okay, I think for today we are good. We just, from the analysis, we just planned a new dashboard that we can discuss with the client. He gets the anomaly detection in real time. Can we maybe create measures or something that we can track this anomaly detection? Let's just ask. Absolutely. So it will create a year-over-year anomaly detection flag. We could also get a format string, so we can display this into the dashboard properly. I mean, we can give it a try and let it create a new dashboard as well. Oh my god, that's so super cool. Yes, sir. Awesome. Now I'm proud. I hope the video works. Hello there. This is awesome stuff. Now he's spoiling me. Oh my god. Okay. Interesting. Come on, let's try it. This would be a game changer. Nobody will see it coming. Yeah, it's great to scribble the dashboards, to give it to the client. I can print that, I can use it for discussion. I get some approval, maybe here and there we have to change. I just pick up the changes from the client, put it in here, let it work, go for coffee, come back after 1 hour, check the results, send a new draft. I mean, this is quite cool workflows, especially when you're a Power BI developer and you have multiple clients. What I saw is we can enhance our capacity by a factor of 3. So myself can now do 3 times more clients if I want to, but honestly, at the moment, I don't want to. For me, it's nice to have some time, family,